Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Wednesday, November 3, 2021. The FOMC announcement just came out. The markets are pushing higher on tapering that will be taking place, it looks like, in November. So that'll start here, and we are seeing a positive reaction to the news here initially. We do have a speaker, Powell, that will be talking at 2:30, so that has not taken place. I'm recording this right around 2 o'clock right now, just after 2 o'clock. So that will be taking place here momentarily as well. But the markets are pushing higher, and that is something that we can look at and discover. So let's do it. Let's see what has happened historically on FOMC announcement day when you start pushing higher and taking out the prior session high of day. I've got all instruments selected here. We're going to be looking at a 3 p.m. Eastern time entry as a long, and we will set it to exit at 4:15 p.m. Eastern time. Now, for this study, what we're going to be paying attention to is where is the price at 3 o'clock. We've got a 3 o'clock entry here. I'm going to say that the price is above the prior day high. So I'm going to hit equals here. For above prior day high, we've got a strong setup taking place here. Price action wise, now I want to go into indicators and put us in a similar market environment. We're above a 10, above a 200-day simple moving average. And lastly, in the market events library, I want to specify that today is the FOMC announcement. So we're getting a strong reaction here on the FOMC announcement. Now I can click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 3 p.m. Eastern time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern time when it is the FOMC announcement day in a bull market, and at 3 o'clock, you're trading above the prior day high of day. Historically, we've got 32 samples in the S&P, 34 in the NASDAQ, 35 in the Dow, 18 in the Russell. Win rates on these are just under 50% for all of them. So S&P coming in at 47%, NASDAQ 47%, Dow 49%, Russell 44%. If we look at the average moves, it looks like they're pretty similar in size for the S&P. The NASDAQ has a sizably larger average loss. They're similar in size for the Dow and the Russell. So the NASDAQ's the only one that's had larger average losses. The win rates on these are all just slightly below 50%. So not real weak, certainly not strong by any means, but not real weak either. Some of the other variations that you look at on this day, and we have no idea where we're going to be at 3 o'clock, but some of the other variations are more bearish. If you're trading above the prior day high, it's more of a neutral reading that we're seeing here. But if we do get some selling that takes place and you do some more studies on this and dig into it, you'll find that there are several other bearish variations of this pattern if we see bearish action taking place when we get closer to 3 o'clock. So this is assuming that you're trading above the prior day high. If you're not, so we're trading below the open, some of those different locations can get weaker. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck the rest of the day, and we will see you next time.